It interrupts my sleep aesthetic, okay, which is chaotic.
There's so many things going on up here. It's crazy. Oh my gosh!
PMs are just not, I'm not built for it.
Ta-da. I'm gonna be honest, I have control issues.
I thought I was gonna go ahead and get in pajamas and then sit down and explain everything to you guys and just like chat. But maybe it's better if I show you my like bedtime sleep setup, because I haven't done that before. The flights were super chill today. We just had 3 of them, but we had to do aircraft swaps every flight. A lot of times we get just the same airplane for the whole day and we just do the little stops along the way, but this one we had to change planes in Dallas, we had to change planes in Denver. It's just chaos. Anyways, so I'm laying out an outfit for tomorrow also because the crew I'm with wants to go do the river walk, and there's a some type of memorial for a bombing situation that happened here years ago. So we want to go see the memorial, and I'm gonna go to the gym in the morning before I do all of that with them. So I'm gonna lay out my gym clothes. I don't know how to do these transitions, but here, ta-da. Okay, that's set up. Gotta figure out where my fridge is. It's over here. Let me unpack my lunch bag. Most important things to making a hotel bed comfortable for me to sleep is pulling these corners out. They look good, love them, they look great, glad they did them for the look, for the aesthetic, but it interrupts my sleep aesthetic, okay, which is chaotic. I'm about to show you what I actually do each time I want to go to sleep in a hotel bed. Untuck. Okay. I usually set myself up in the middle of the bed, toss the extra pillows away. Okay. Middle of the bed. And then I pull the comforter up with my feet. Make sure it's underneath. I can pull it underneath my legs, make myself a little cocoon. Make sure that the pillows come up so that my shoulders are underneath them. And then we're good to go. I can't believe I filmed that whilst laying here because now I have to get up. I'm very tired. Okay.
So I was gonna get ready to go to the gym, and I might still in a little bit, but then I got an email from the place that I'm planning my mom's birthday. I'm planning my mom's 60th birthday and inviting a bunch of her friends and that kind of stuff. And I love my siblings, but they have extreme ADHD. And I feel like I have ADHD, but not nearly as crippling as theirs. And I just don't I'm gonna be honest, I have control issues and I don't trust them to plan this to the detail that I usually would plan something. I don't know if I can even guarantee my detailed planning at this point because I have so many things going on that's making my head spin to plan. I am currently planning my sister's bachelorette. I am planning my own trip to Europe for like 2 days, 3 days. I am planning my parents' trip to Europe that's like a month long. I still need to edit some of the details in theirs. And then I'm also planning, and then the birthday. So it's birthday, bachelorette, European trip for them for a month, European trip for me for like a couple days. And then I have a trip later this year that I need to plan. And then I have just typical work things that I run through, and I am a workaholic. So I have like, 5 tasks running at one time, like running my mom's social media, doing things for her, other things. I had to book my dad on a flight yesterday, and I have to book another flight for him to get home. I'm also planning a work trip with a friend and like planning the things that we might do on an overnight. And so there's so many things going on up here. It's crazy.
I'm going to meet up with my crew right now. Just the one of them. The other one decided to dip because it's a little too cold out for her today, even though it's like 60 degrees. But that's fine. So I'm actually running late to meet up with them, so I gotta go. But yeah, we're just gonna go see a memorial downtown, and I think we're gonna get lunch, but I haven't decided where yet.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god! I got it! Just for my own amusement. I think you should be cool and get in that hole. Three. Oh. Something happened that I have literally been avoiding as a flight attendant.